are an artist. Good morning from Malacca, Malaysia. Starting our day here with a great tea, and I love their teas here. They have some bubbles, you see? This one is pearl. It's tea with milk, so different, and it's good. And I love their waffles, chocolate inside. This is the Menara Taming Sari Tower. This is the name of the tower. Where's the revolving part? Oh, it is here. Look at this, you go from the bottom to the top. Today we start the day seeing Malacca from all the way up there. Hi, can I get 2 tickets, please?
2 tickets.
For the tower.
How old are you? Sorry.
Yeah, I'm not a kid. Thank you.
For you.
Oh, great, thank you. So nice that they give you free water. Oh, we just missed the tower. Okay. I wanted to go up this tower because this is different from any other observation tower I've ever seen. It goes up from the ground and then it rotates 360 degrees with you sitting and enjoying. Only one like this in Malaysia. How much were the tickets?
23 each.
Okay. Thank you. Choose the best tango, baby. Best tango. This is so cool. You already go up, turning. Come on. The ocean there, the river, the historic part. That's our building. It's where our first Airbnb was located. That's the museum, the replica of the ship that is still lost in the ocean. You go for 2 full circles and then you start going down. So nice. I also did a time lapse of the tour. We'll put it right here now if you want to see the whole thing in detail. These houses are so Dutch looking, aren't they?
I don't know if that's Dutch looking.
I think it is. Totally. Oh, look at this. Free bus rides here in Malacca too. So these are the stops if you're here and want to enjoy. There you go. From 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. every day. This is a replica of the main Portuguese ship that came here to Malacca in the 16th century, and then it sailed away taking all the goods and all the riches they had here. But guess what? The ship sank near Indonesia. All the valuables are lost forever in the ocean. Today, this is the Maritime Museum here in Malacca and exhibits the maritime history during several eras, right? Portuguese, Dutch, the Sultanate, British, Japanese, and Malaysian. Jonker Street, the center street of Chinatown. Wow.
Yeah. Which part of Canada are you from? Close to Vancouver, Calgary. Okay, Calgary. Yes, nice place. Very cool.
It is very cold, yeah.
Beautiful.
Have a nice day.
You too.
You too. Our guide yesterday explained that there's a street nearby here called the Heron, and that was the Nobleman Street until rich Chinese started moving here to Jonker, doing business here and actually living here, and this became the place to be. Look at the details on these houses. There are various historical constructions here dating back to the 17th century. There's even a temple. Hola! This street once was full of antique shops. There's still one here, but today in general there are more clothing stores, souvenir shops, and also a lot of restaurants. Actually, today this street is even more famous because of the night market. We'll be back later. I'm going to mention our guide from the previous video again because we had an amazing tour with her at the State House and she was fantastic. If you haven't seen, take a look after this video here. But anyway, she said that this area here is famous for having temples, Chinese, Hindus, and also mosques, and everybody perfectly coexists. The beauty of the city. We see the oldest traditional Chinese temple in Malaysia here from 1645. Hoon Temple. I think you pronounce it like that. Translating this name means Temple of Green Cloud. People come to this temple here to practice Buddhism, Confucianism, and Taoism. Isn't it amazing, baby?
Really colorful.
The temple's from 1645.
It is. Look at these buildings.
Yeah. Oh, and that's the mosque, I guess.
Yeah.
Temple, mosque. What's unique about this mosque here is that the minaret, it's like a pagoda. Look at that. You're looking good.
Yeah.
Work out help.
Yeah.
Yeah, I get you.
Wow, it's a lot of work. Look at all the details here. Ooh.
Yes. Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
Welcome. Wait. Wow, beautiful.
Okay, beautiful.
Men pray here and woman inside.
On the other side.
Okay, direction in Mecca.
Right.
Okay, same like this. So 5 times a day.
This is the woman's side. And the men are here, facing Mecca. Gordon, look at the tiles. How beautiful. I think these are a blend of Portuguese styles, right?
Want I take for you?
Oh, that would be good, yeah.
Yeah.
Smile.
It's okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
great. Thank you very much.
Welcome.
And this is the Hindu temple. All three on the same street. I didn't expect it to be this close. Too bad we can't go in, it's closed right now. And just like that, we're back at the river. Let's see when there's a boat tour here.
Bunch of fish here.
Fish? Where? Oh yeah! Wow! Here it is, 30 ringgit. Hi, yes, when is the next boat tour? 3:30. Oh, in half an hour. Every 30 minutes. Every 30, okay. So we just wait, right?
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, we'll go for 2 people.
6.
Does the trip come with a bucket of ice and plenty of cold drinks?
Oh, cold drinks.
Yes. Don't like my drunk.
Well, I think there's already a lot in this video and we still want to do a lot more today. So we'll take a break right here. We'll go for lunch and then after lunch, we start a brand new video. Hope to see you back. Gordon, can you move out, please? You don't function very well in hot weather, baby.
Oh, baby. We're very close to the equator.
And I think the heat is confusing your mind.